There's no way anyone would want to live in a 2-bedroom apartment that used to be a garage, right? Well, in this video, we're going to walk through one and you can decide for yourself. Hey, if we haven't met, my name is Mark Doty. I'm a full-time real estate investor here in San Diego. I built this channel to document the handful of deals that I did after I left my full-time job in corporate America. The goal of these videos is to show people that there's a way that you can leave your full-time job using real estate, and also to attract people who are looking to invest in the type of real estate deals that I do. This project was a duplex here in San Diego. It had a 1-bedroom, 1-bath in the front, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath in the back, and then in the intro, I'm standing next to this detached 400 square foot 2-bay garage that's adjacent to this additional parking that's part of our unit, and then it butts up against this alley. There was really nothing special about the first bay of the garage. It's your standard garage. But the second bay, the other half, had already been converted into this creepy, dark, extra bedroom that was attached to the 2-bedroom, 1-bath in the front house. And it gave us some additional options on what we could do with the space. Do we open up the walls and turn it into a 2-bedroom, 1-bath? Or do we leave it basically as is, convert the other side, and create 2 studios? In another project, we had already turned a 1-bay garage into a 200 square foot studio apartment. So in this project, we elected to go with the 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Even though we might have gotten a little bit of a rent bump from the 2 studios versus the 2-1, we thought we'd have a better pool of tenant to choose from if we elected for the 2-bedroom. It's still in the back of the alley, which is kind of weird. And then if it was 2 studios, they'd be right on top of each other. And we thought there just might be too much noise between the 2 units to really attract a high quality tenant. We went ahead and drew up plans for the 2-bedroom, 1-bath. And as we waited for the 6 months during the plan approval process, we went ahead and rehabbed the front 2 units of the duplex. Our budget for the garage conversion was about $10,000 to draw up the plans and get them submitted to the city. Then another $30,000 for the rehab itself. That equates to about $75 a square foot, which isn't terrible, but isn't great either. After about 8 weeks of additional rehab, let's take a look how things turned out. Both bedrooms have their own private entrance as well as enough space for a queen-size bed. Then we've got an open concept in the living room kitchen area where the person cooking can still have a conversation with the person sitting down, or they can both sit down to eat at the island. The bathroom is big enough to get ready and also has a stand-up shower. And then in the outdoor space, we added laundry to the gated patio area. So it looks great, right? From a financial perspective, we're all in for about $50,000 after you account for the soft costs, the furniture, and then all the construction. And we think we'll be able to rent it as a furnished rental for somewhere in the neighborhood of about $3,000 a month. The conversion has added a ton of value to the property, and we're optimistic about its future as a rental. These projects are getting more and more common here in San Diego because you've got nowhere else to build. We have a clear need for housing, and the local governments are supporting garage conversions and ADU type builds. If you'd like to get involved, reach out to me either on social media or leave a comment in the section below. All right, so that's how our 400 square foot, 2-bedroom, 1-bath garage conversion turned out. What do you think? Not bad, right? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching the channel, and we'll see you on the next project.